Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what exponential expression represents the area of a square of side x minus 7? Now, we know that area of a square with length of side A is given by area of square equals to A square. Here, length of side of a square is given by x minus 7. Hence, area of a square with side length x minus 7 is given by x minus 7 bracket square units. Square units. Hence x minus 7 bracket square represents the exponential expression x minus 7 bracket square represents the exponential expression of the area of a square of side x minus 7. Hence, our option B is correct option, which is x minus 7 bracket square.